This is the full enclosure screen protector case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max from the folks at TIESZEN. There's a great way here to be able to give you that full enclosure protection in the event of a mishap. It's made out of high quality 9H material glass as well as polycarbonate and hardened plastic material. With that said, the folks at TIESZEN did provide this to me complimentary and they did sponsor this video. Down below in the link in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Let's check out how you can protect your titanium black here for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Inside is going to include all of the necessary components to be able to set up your full enclosure. You've obviously got the case itself, which is nice and clear, but you've also got the material on the inside to give you that protection on your screen, as well as your camera module. To first peel it out of the case here, there is a little tiny mark here. You can put your fingernail or you could put like a screwdriver in there to be able to get that angle. I was able to do it just fine. Here are your camera bumps as well as the screen protector here on the front and then on the back. Peel it off here. It also gives you instructions on how to set it up. Inside the packaging here is to clean off your screen and your dynamic island. We'll first hit it with the wet wipe. Despite it being brand new, there's smudges, there's dust, all that stuff. Dry it off with the dry wipe. There you go. And don't forget to hit the back side here for your camera module. Make sure you clean that off appropriately. Dry it off as well. From here, what I like to do is go ahead and peel off the back and hold it down because it's going to have a sticky edge. You're going to want to angle it here so you've got the speaker cut out right there. You're going to go from the bottom to the top. I'm going to go ahead and press it down the middle. Give it a nice firm squeeze. And there you have it. You go and hit the screen protector with the wet one and then dry it off with the dry wipe. We're going to finish off here by peeling off the screen protector on the back side. And then we're going to go ahead as well and we're going to place the camera protector next. They give you 3 of these, which is great. You can go ahead and just peel it off. Just like that. You're going to want to match the LED and LiDAR with the respective sides, and then you just go straight down here. It'll adhere, you give some pressure. What's nice is that'll give it a nice 9H glass protection. Once that's adhered, you can go ahead and hit it with the wipe as well, and then dry that off. Leave no smudges. We're going to finish off by enclosing it here. I like to go by the bottom here, and it kind of just snaps into place. You want to find all these grooves here and push it into place. As you can see, there's a seam. Now it is going to increase it probably by 1/8 of an inch on the in total around the edge. That means it's going to be a little bit more difficult around the edge to grip. But what's nice, it's made out of a material that is nice and ergonomic, and it provides you all around complete enclosure and protection. What's great here is it has a little flap for your I/O. It even has a cool little speaker grill to enhance your lifestyle. Go in there, you got the USB Type-C. Around the edges, you've got the action button as well as volume rocker. And then you got your power button as well. And then your screen protector all the way up and down your phone. Coming up closer, you can see the camera bunt. Really, really nice and protective. Still allows you full function of the device. You can see here, I'm using the action button to go into the camera. There's no smearing, there's no smudges. It looks great. If you wanted, you could still go ahead and place Magsafe on it. It's not as strong because it doesn't have it built in. But if you wanted to have like a 5,000 milliamp battery here, you could have that with this really cool ShiftCam SnapGrip. Or if you wanted to have something like a tripod, you can go ahead and snap it on there and it still utilizes the Magsafe as well. There you go. You've got your suction on there and you can see that you can utilize this tripod if that's something you're interested in. In conclusion, I like the careful care and attention that they've made here to have the full enclosure. It's scratch resistant, it's nice and protective, it's water resistant, but not an IPX rating. Nonetheless, having something like this is great. In the event that it does fall, it does have the military drop grade protection, and you still have access to Qi charging, but not necessarily full-fledged MagSafe, so be cognizant of that. With that said, the guys at TIESZEN did send this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the link to the description will be the product pricing and availability for everything here that we've gone over. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is Andy with Tech Influence. Bye.